Introducing Generation 2 Jet Shades, now custom designed for the Cirrus G6. These premium sunshades offer the ultimate in-flight and on-ramp protection, all while maintaining crystal clear visibility. With Gen 2 Jet Shades, you get unmatched clarity through the cockpit windows. No distortion, no compromise. Just cool, comfortable flying with protection from heat, glare. See the difference? No, that's the point. Jet Shades deliver exceptional visibility, but unlike standard aircraft windows, they block the harsh elements that make flights uncomfortable. The premium tinted Jet Shades take protection even further. Ideal for passengers, children, pets, and anyone sensitive to sun exposure. And installation? Easier than ever. The all-new mounting system ensures a snug, secure fit, so any pilot owner can install them. From every angle, Jet Shades block blinding sunlight and reduce cockpit heat buildup, making your air conditioning system work less and your flights more enjoyable. Looking for a personal touch? Custom monogramming is now available, because every Cirrus should feel as premium as it flies. Upgrade your flying experience with Generation 2 Jet Shades. Order now at jetshades.com and take your Cirrus G6 comfort to the next level.